So my friends, I want to show you some of the beautiful handcrafted stuff that is made here in Tanzania. Look how beautiful this basket is. I want to show you this beautiful craftsmanship. This is made in the village by an old man. He make all these beautiful baskets, and so I like to buy from him. And this basket, you can store things inside. You can store food, you can store grains, whatever you want inside. It's so lovely. It has a cover. I just put it up like that so I can put things inside. So this is to protect the things inside, and the handle is here, but it cannot come out of the handle. So you just put it there and you push it down. So I'm going to show you what we store inside. This is another basket. This is like another little basket, and you can store stuff in it. So I also store stuff in this basket. So let me show you what I store inside. So I got some biscuits. I stored my biscuits inside this basket. I'm storing my oatmeal in there. I put my oatmeal in there. I'm going in there. My biscuits, my oatmeal. I'll put my cereal in there also. Right? So I will store some of these things in here because here they don't have a lot of cupboard space, so you have to make your own space with things. So these baskets are so nice. I will use them to store a lot of my things. So I thought I'll just come and show you how you can store your things here. Now, if you don't want to store it in this open basket and you're worried about ants or anything getting into it, then you can just store it in this basket, and you can just do the same thing. You can just put these things in here, put it inside the basket. Let's do that. We'll store cookies and everything. And once you're done with it, you just push it down like this and you cover it, right? And you just find a spot to put it inside. Another way you can use this basket is you can also line this basket on the inside with a cloth, and you bring the cloth over. If you want to keep things cool inside this basket, you can also like line it inside with a cover, bring the cover over, and then you just cover it like that, and it keeps things really, really cool in there. So I just wanted to bring you some traditional things from Tanzania to show you how they are. I also want to show you another traditional Tanzanian basket that we use here a lot. These are also some traditional Tanzanian baskets that we use. I use them to clean my rice. I use them to dry fruit on it. I use them to clean beans. I use them to winnow things. So these are very nice. You can get them for 2,000 to 3,000. The more fancy ones with designs on them, you can buy them for 5,000. But these ones are just perfect. You can wash vegetables inside of these. You can harvest vegetables inside of these. You can harvest your fruits inside of these. These are very strong and very durable. You could also hang these on your wall as a decoration. They look very fantastic. I'm thinking of designing something in my bedroom when I move out of this house. Yes, guys, I'm moving out of this house because this house is kind of small for us. We need a bigger house because, yeah. But anyways, these things are so useful, so nice, and I have quite a couple of them. I have one right outside right now drying some roselle. I have some for my I have one for my cabbage on top of my fridge. I have one drying. I have another one drying soap inside. So I use them for many different things. I put vegetables inside here, also like my tomatoes and cucumbers and stuff like that. I put stuff in there. And this is just like a nice presentation. Like, you know, even when I go to the market sometime, if I'm going to the market and I'm not buying a lot of things, I want to buy just a couple of things, I just take one of these baskets with me and I just put all my stuff inside and I just carry it like this. So it's really, really nice, okay? And like I said, when I have wheat, beans, millet, any of that things. I just use this like this, put it inside, and I just winnow with it. So that's really good. So in my outside kitchen, you'll be seeing me using all this local things. Okay. So y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, and if you want to see more of traditional cultural things, let me know. I can do that for you guys. I can just go to the village and show you guys some mud huts. I can show you some ladies making different things if you're interested in that, because I really don't want to do content that people are not interested in. But if you're interested in those kind of things, just comment in the comment section and I will do those kind of videos for you all. Here is a sneak peek. Here is a sneak peek of some things that will be going in the outside kitchen. This is a pot that was made from the village ladies. I bought quite a couple of them, and I'll be cooking beans and different things in them. I have one that I cook regular beans inside already, but it's a new one. I need to, how you say? I need to grease it. I need to soak it in water before I cook in it. This is a new one. Guys, y'all, this was so cheap. I couldn't believe it. It was like 1,500. And then this one, y'all, it's a frying pan. It's so cute. Sneak peek of my kitchen. If you want to see more of what I buy for the kitchen, stay tuned. So you'll see all the things that I bought in my kitchen.